right onto Queens Highway, then turn right.
Galing. Kuya, ang galing. Hindi ba... Pabayaan mo siya makasingit. Na ano, yung line. Yan, yung beach. Eh di bumaba tayo para makulog ito. Yan. Kunang mo ko doon, tatayo ako. Kuya. Ano, hindi pwede?
In 800 feet,
bawal.
turn right.
Hello guys! Andito na ako ngayon sa Long Beach. Guys, talagang, please understand me, talagang I'm so excited. Sasakay ako ng Carnival Cruise to Baja, Mexico. Okay? Bye! See you again! Hello, JL, Raben. Eto na kami. Sasakay na kami sa Carnival Cruise. Ang saya-saya. Wow. Okay. Yun nga, yung Carnival Princess sa Padaan. Yun. Dapat malaki yung Princess. Hello guys! Ito ako ngayon sa loob ng processing room para makapasok na kami sa Carnival seat. Ito, kailangan pumila. Pumila isa-isa para documents namin, papers, passport, and also the visa. Chine-check nila talaga mahigpit, napakaigpit. Pero okay lang. Nakapag-wait naman ako, kami ni Daddy, para maka-in na kami sa Carnival seat. Okay? Bye! Guys, boarding. Time to board. Dali ba? pag nilulubog yan, tawag lang. Ha? Kuya, anong tawag yan? Oh, tandaan si dati, matanda. Wow! Andito na ako ngayon sa Carnival Firenze. Ipapasyal ko na kayo. Hello guys! Wow! So amazing!
Yeah, you also have to check with the bus station. Do you have your boarding pass?
Nagbabarni sila. First time in my life.
Participating on this tour, so we can match the best tour with the right person.
A few miles east of Ensenada is Calafia Valley, home to two prolific wineries, is exactly where this tour is headed. Along the way, you'll learn a little history and some local customs and traditions. Then it's tour time.